This 2021 Forest River Stealth 2816G is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features stovetop burner, LP detector, slide-out, refrigerator, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, oven, microwave, water heater, awning, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Stealth 2816G is 9,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.